traders, welcome to our live trading session video and thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Sri Nalpan here, founder of Master the Markets Illiteracy Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are today on the cable trade over here on the 1 hour time frame. However, as you can see, it has already formed its range for today. Using our indicators, we can see that the bar range actually is 50 and the ATR yesterday was 67. So more or less it has done it. 53, 54 pips, 80% of the ATR is what we will get. It's about 4 pips shy. You're not getting a pattern set up yet.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
In terms of dollar Swiss, let me just take a look at that. Again, it's gone past this lower stretch, made its range as well. If you can observe from here, that is 54, that's 40 pips, and it's come all the way down. It's done 55 already. So no trade on that as well. As of now, we didn't get our pattern recognition. That's not our trade, so we let it go. In terms of euro dollar, on the other hand, it's a non-correlated trade over here. As we can see, I can see that here it's 63 ATR. Let me just move this aside over here. So you can see that this is 63. 80% of that is 48. Bar range here is only 46. It's almost going to make its range in the opposite direction. We did not get a pattern recognition in our favor for this according to our time settings as well. Okay, now some of you may wonder, why is it making its range here? Usually the answer comes from a higher time frame. It is probably not completed its phase 2 move here in the downtrend. Okay, all that is a bit more advanced analysis. You all can check out our previous videos or also our really good course video series, which is totally free, either for beginners or trader starter pack. Actually, you can start off a trader starter pack because it's got beginners and intermediate content in there. If I were to go down to Aussie dollar, we can see that the range is still not made yet. That's 58 ATR as of yesterday, 60, let's say 48 pips. There's still about 10-11 pips left. Based on pattern recognition, we do have actually a pattern recognition setup around here after it's retraced, after it's broken the lower stretch. So that is something that we can be looking into, and that's the trade that I will place for now, basically for the low of here. So let me just place a new order here, pending order here. So I will put a sell stop. Those of you not familiar with all these terminologies, please look at our video series, Trader Starter Pack. Let me just put this one here, low 7183 is what we got. So 0.7182 to take out the low. And then in terms of the high, we've got 7205. So if you were to take out the high, that would be 7206, 1 pip spread, 7207, okay, is what we are going for. And the profit is going to be for the ATR range, and that is 7169, which is also yesterday's low. Okay, so I'll place that trade, lot size at 1, and let's see, and there you go. So we've got the trade placed in. We can check it over here as well. We got the trade placed in at 1 lot. Check your size as well, and 7182, 7207, 7169. Okay, so see how this trade carries on to be. I'll pause the video here and we will look at it in the next 1 hour.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course. as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Okay, traders, as you can see now, the trade has progressed. We did have this primary high been taken out. Primary -1 still remains the same. This one here is what we call a secondary setup, and then over here is what we got more than a secondary, which is a tertiary. As of now, this particular entry point is invalidated according to this price pattern here. So we will delete this order over here, okay? And then we will wait and see if we do get a new price action pattern that we can take advantage of, okay? I'll leave the lines over here so that we see if we can get any other price patterns over here. Looking at the other ones, GBP USD at the moment, is it looking to make its range in that direction? It's still got a little bit more left, because if you look at 80% of 67, that is about 54 pips. It's got 4 pips left, but because of the price pattern, maybe we can get a bit more from this. Actually, maybe not. So it's not really worth us taking that trade. In terms of dollar Swiss, I think it's already made its range. Euro dollar as well, 48.59. Yeah, it looks like not really much trade setups according to where we want to be looking at. If there isn't any on the Aussie dollar within the next 1 hour, then I'll probably close it up for the day. Okay, I think as of now there are no trades, so I'll leave that as it is. I'll pause the video and then we'll see it for one more time in about 1 hour time. Okay, traders, as you can see now over here, this bar over here on the Aussie dollar 1 hour chart is coming back again further down to make its range towards the downside from the open or to the lower. So the BRO is going to looking like it's coming back again to the downside. So we've put the orders in here where the blue, red and green are, and we'll see how this trade progresses. I'll just place the order right now and we'll see how that carries on. So for the low of this bar, stop loss for the high, and the target for here 7169 to make its range. I'll pause the video here. Let's see how it carries on. Okay, traders, as you can see over here, our initial entry, which was for the low here, has not been taken out. So what we now have is a different price pattern over here, where we call this actually a continuation primary, and that's what we have done. We have moved our entry more earlier, and the stop loss being for the high of the bar, the primary, which we call it here. Okay, right, so that's what we do have, and that's what's reflected in the entry order. 7183 for the low of this bar, stop loss for the high 7204, target being still the same for the range. Okay, so that's what we are aiming for. We'll see how that carries on to be. If we do not get a trigger by the end of the hour, we'll cancel it. Okay, right, I'll pause the video here. Let's see how it progresses. Alright traders, so we've got the trade progression. It didn't trigger us. Time is running by as well. It's already 5 p.m. here. So at this moment, volume will start to drop if it hasn't really kicked in yet. So what we will do is we will delete this order and call it a day. And in terms of the others, what has happened, they've stalled as well. Not really much range and volume carrying through for today. We might get some carry through on Monday, so we'll see on the trades at that point of time. Alright traders, that's all from me on this video. For those of you who want to further look into all of these concepts and terminologies we're looking at, you can go onto our website, look at our blog, or also you can also go and learn in a structured way for free on our traderstarterpack.com video series. Okay, that's all from me for now, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.